Ella.
Hi.
How are you?
Fine.
What's the name of your school?
Damacrest group of
Do
schools.
you like your school?
Yes.
Why do you like your school?
It has good teachers and it has nice playing fields.
Wow, wonderful. I also like your school. Ebu, tell me, have you ever visited a dentist?
Yes.
Ebu, tell me, when you went to the dentist, what happened?
The dentist had removed my teeth and he said, when I remove teeth, my teeth grow and then they'll become better.
Oh, was it painful?
No.
Did you feel pain?
Yes.
Did you cry?
No.
So you'll be telling your friends to visit your dentist?
Yes.
Wow, wonderful. Tell me today, what have you learned?
I've learned about brushing my teeth.
Who taught you?
Smile Teachers Foundation.
Wow, tell me, what did you learn today? I am brushing. I am brushing. Look at me. Look at me. Can you do as I do? Can you do as I do? Brush, brush.